We're going to Disneyland and we're going to Walmart. Well, not right now about Disneyland because all the theme parks are closed, and Walmart not right now. Probably in a couple of days. We're gonna pick up some more stuff. But let's dive right in and talk about Disney, Walt Disney. Disney trading at $186.35. What can I say? You can't go wrong. Everyone loves Disneyland. Everyone loves what's it called? Disney Plus. 5 days ago, the highest point was 190. Yeah, that's really good, especially when their earnings call just came out last week. And just a little information for some of the new viewers. So every year, um, companies come out with their earnings call. So quarter one, two, three, four. So I think this was quarter one, or no, quarter four to quarter one. But they're gonna say, okay, how much money did you make in those 4 months? Was it more or was it less? So if it was more than what they're expecting, then they're gonna drive that stock price is gonna drive straight right up. But if they made less, then people be like, oh, they made less, so it's gonna go down. But right now it's 186. It's been down, so that's when you buy the dip because you want to ride it straight back up when it shoots back up. So speaking about Disney, look, I mean, these guys are an empire. These guys are a juggernaut. They own ESPN. They own Star Wars. Man, these guys own a ton. Disney World. You got Walt Disney, Disneyland in Japan or China. You got all over the world. It's like I think 9 or 10 Disneylands. But yeah, you can't go wrong. And a couple past videos, been talking about stocks that have been, kind of like cheap and everything. But now we're getting to the big players. Now we're talking about the big rollers here. Um, so getting like about 5 or 10 shares, this is going to cost you over $1,000. So you might not have a lot of shares, but it's going to be really good down the long road because they're always going to go up. I feel like they're always going to go up. With penny stocks, you go up and down, up and down. But then these big companies, hopefully, just like it's going to go just so to keep climbing a little bit up. So you have a long term investment in these. So yeah, let's talk about Disney. So you got Disney Plus. I think it hit about 90 million subscribers and everything. It's been a big hit with due to COVID and everything. People just like staying at home and just like, so that's why Disney probably came up with a little scheme. People are at home. Let's come out with Disney Plus. And like, I think even Disney Plus came out before COVID. You might have to correct me down below in the comments below. But you got the Mandalorian, and that's the reason why I got Disney Plus was because of the Mandalorian. I mean, you can't really go wrong with Star Wars. Star Wars is so big and everything. So I'm glad they're gonna keep on with the Mandalorian seasons. I think season three. Yeah, season three is gonna come out in a year or something. But then, guys, if you think about it, let's look at this. Disney's $186. The theme parks are closed. Once those theme parks open, this thing's gonna shoot to 200 or more, or I don't know when all these theme parks are gonna open. So Disney's a great investment. Disney's a really good investment. Yeah, highly recommend everybody to invest in Disney. Um, okay, let's take a look at Walmart. Walmart, man, everybody knows Walmart. Everybody knows Walmart. Everyone's been to Walmart. Everyone's bought food or whatever other miscellaneous stuff at Walmart. Now, the reason we'll bring up Walmart because their earnings call is in the 16th. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but today is the 5th. What's today? The 6th. Oh, wait, no. No, actually, that's the day that, wait, hold on. I'm a little wrong on this. Their earnings call is on the 18th. Yeah, I think it's on the 18th. So that the Walmart's that's pretty much saying like, okay, guys, Walmart's going to come out with their earnings call on the 18th. Did they hit their when they set a certain goal? Are they going to exceed the goal, or is going to go below the goal? So if it exceeds it, it should be good. People are going to be buying skyrocket. But most people, what they do right before the earnings call, which is like an hour or half an hour or whatever, how much time, maybe a day, they're going to keep buying and buying and buying and buying or selling and selling and selling. It just depends on where the company is going to go. and then you're gonna go up, and then you're gonna go down, just like what happened to Disney right before the earnings call. People bought so much, and then when there's a big old dip, then you sell on the dip. So, or you sell on the top of the dip whenever you think that's the highest point, and then you just sell. But yeah, Walmart, man, what to say about this company? Just everyone knows Walmart. Like it's just you can't really go. And I think yeah, they partner with Sam's Club, so it's kind of like hand in hand. It's just everything's a little description right here. Oh, and guys, make sure to click on my link below to get some free stocks, and I get some free stocks. So click on the link below that I'm going to put down below. Just by opening an account and depositing $100. Um, so yeah, it's been really good with Walmart. They're never, I don't see them, all these big juggernauts. I don't see them going out of business. Walmart, Disneyland, you can name so many more. Amazon's like at $3,000 right now per share, if not higher. So I'm not an investor myself in Walmart or Disney. I'm more of a cheap guy with stocks. I love penny stocks. I just love looking up and researching those companies that are like, just starting to build up and everything. Cause I just like having a lot of shares of something. And when I have a lot of shares of something, it goes up a lot more faster. And then when you invest in these big companies, you know that their shares going to go up, they're going to go up a little bit. So, and plus you gotta have a ton of money. You gotta have a ton of money. I mean, at $145 per share, yeah, I mean, that's gonna be you're looking at if it's 10 shares. I don't know. It's gonna cost you a couple of thousand for just maybe like or just a ton of shares. So because then if you have a cheap penny stock, you gotta save this dollar. You put $1,000 in it, that's 1,000 shares. If it goes up another dollar, you double your money. So that's why I like penny stock. There's always risk reward with penny stock because these companies are just starting off, or they're very low employees, but they might have a bunch of big employees. But yeah, I mean, guys, that's my pretty much my video for today about Walmart and Disneyland. Comment down below if you guys have these stocks. You investor in Walmart? Are you going to be an investor in Walmart? Are you an investor in Disney? Are you going to invest in Disney later? So just to recap, Disney, they're 186 right now, but like I said before, theme parks, man, millions of people's been coming in. Boom, it started skyrocketing this stock straight by it up. And then Walmart, I mean, most people would just go there for food, and so then people have to eat. So yeah, so hey guys, it's been good talking about stocks with you. To the next video, the prince is out.